You really need to look at what is going to be the highest ROI, right? And if you're already operating a business, then you're already familiar with ROI and how to calculate particular ROIs. Now, there's gonna be a lot of gray areas in this sector that you may not have an understanding on. You may not know robot costs, PLC costs, you may not know just the overall system cost. But one rule of thumb that you can start off with is calculating your labor for a particular process. And then that will give you the number that you're currently spending within a process. And then think about how many of those man hours can be replaced through automation and robotics, or how many additional man hours can be executed with automation or robotics. Let's say, for instance, if you guys are a growing company and you're maybe struggling to meet production needs, then the automation itself could help you get that extra percentage of production to meet your production needs, and in turn giving you an ROI for the automation. So a very simple calculation is just looking at overall what cost is going into your labor, not only your man hours, but then things like insurance, things like workman's comp, any type of like injury costs that may be associated, and other things like sick days and other things you got to deal with while having an employee.